It took them 40 years. Pastor Charles, why did it take them 40 years? There are some things that I'd like to suggest to you as to why it took them 40 years. Whenever something moves you into captivity, and it's been for 400 years, you begin to adapt the mindset of whatever has taken you into captivity. There's something about drug users. When you see them, it really takes a serious level of deliverance to break this thing down, because something is embedded deep down on the inside of them. So the children of Israel are wandering in the wilderness for 40 years. God looks at them and God says, I made you a promise that I was going to take you into Canaan, but I can't take you into Canaan with that same mentality. I can't take you into Canaan with that same mindset. So God said, I am going to allow you to wander in the wilderness until your mindset shifts. I've come to tell a 21st century believer here that has gathered at Restoration today, you've been wondering why you're still in the wilderness and why hasn't God delivered you? Could it be that God has you in the wilderness so that you can change your mindset? God says, I cannot take you into Canaan with that mentality. You won't be able to enjoy it. In fact, if I take you to a land that is flowing with milk and honey with that mentality, you'll self-destruct. You will self-destruct. You cannot handle it. You do not have the character to sustain you with that type of position yet. So what I have to do is I have to keep you in the wilderness until you're ready.